I want to give you an update on my ham radio exam, and I was supposed to take it already, but I didn't, and here's why. This is the reason why. Can you see all these flashcards? I'm telling you what, studying for this exam is not that hard, but it does take some time. Now, there are some different ways to study, and there's places online you can get help from, but I went and got the ARRL study guide for the technician exam, and at the back, about a third of the book, at least, is the study question. So I like to study a certain way. I learned from college that I like to learn by using flashcards. And this way, whether I'm on a plane or I'm driving, and you kind of got to be careful with the driving, but you can actually look at your flashcards, and maybe you're in a doctor's office, or maybe you're sitting around waiting, whatever it is. If you have flashcards, well, you can study, and it helps me to memorize a lot better. Well, the first thing about it was I was able to get a lot of memory work done just by writing it down, but I wrote down every question, and you can see together, I mean, that may not be 4 inches, but it's pretty close. And I'll tell you right now that this bigger stack I've already memorized. This other stack, which is almost as big, I have not finished memorizing yet. And this gets into some more difficult situations for me because it talks about megahertz and all kinds of stuff. I don't even remember what all the words are right now, but different frequencies and things that I'm not used to. And I just have a hard time with it because I'm not used to being a ham radio operator yet, but that will change soon. So I got these flashcards all filled out and I started studying, and I thought I'd be ready for the exam, and I'm not. So I still have some more to go. I just want to come out here and tell you about it because there's different ways to study, and this is my way. I wanted to show you it, but you have to spend some time memorizing these. Well, that's it. I'm not ready, but I will be soon. I will be joining all of you other ham radio operators in probably about 2 weeks. I would say at the end of September. Well, thanks for joining me, and I hope this helped you see maybe another way to study for the ham radio exam. The next time you see me with the ham radio video, it's going to be after I pass the exam. Thanks for joining me out here in Colorado, and I'll see you back here in another video.